Electronic Configuration Diagrams by KayScience.com. Atoms contain a tiny dense nucleus right in the middle, surrounded by shells also known as energy levels where the electrons move around. The small black circle represents the nucleus and is always in the center of the atom. These circles represent shells also known as energy levels. The nucleus contains protons and neutrons, and the shells contain electrons. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. It's really important that you understand these electron shell rules when it comes to drawing different atoms. The first shell is the shell closest to the nucleus, shown here by the number 1. This is also known as the lowest energy level. The first shell can have no more than 2 electrons, shown here by the 2 green circles on the first shell. The second shell can hold up to 8 electrons. Notice that the electrons are drawn in pairs. This makes it easier to count how many you've drawn and less likely to make a mistake. The third shell can also hold up to 8 electrons. As shown here in the diagram, just remember to make sure you always draw your electrons in pairs. And the fourth shell can hold up to 2 electrons as well. In this example, the fourth shell is the highest energy level. Whenever drawing electronic configurations of any element, the first shell is always filled first. An easy rule to use to summarize all of this is 2882. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. In this example, we've actually drawn the electronic configuration for calcium. Using the pen technique where P stands for protons, E stands for electrons, and N stands for neutrons, you can see the atomic number of calcium is 20, therefore there are 20 protons in the nucleus. This means there are also 20 electrons, and the mass number is 40, and the atomic number is 20, therefore 40 take away 20 equals 20 neutrons. For calcium, the electronic configuration is 2 electrons in the first shell, so 2, 8 electrons in the second shell, so 8, 8 electrons in the third shell, so 8 again, and finally 2 because of the 2 electrons in the fourth shell. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. When drawing electronic configurations, you must remember the rule, which is 2882. At GCSE level, you need to make sure that you know how to draw the electronic configuration for the first 20 elements in the periodic table. This is from hydrogen all the way up to calcium. The group number is the number of electrons in the outer shell, whereas the period number is the number of shells an element has. In this task, you're going to draw the electronic configuration of all the elements. Please pause now to begin the task, and the answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.